Hello everyone, my name is Parth and you are watching Must Watch Tips. Today in this video, I am going to show something different. You must have used VLOOKUP many times and you get the desired lookup value every time. But provided that the values of both the columns in which you are doing lookup is exactly the same. For example, I have here two tables, V1 and V2. In V1, we have name of product, regular price and categories. In V2, we have the name, updated price and categories. But the twist over here is that the name is not exactly same. So what I mean to say is in table V1 where we have the regular price, I wanted to have the updated price. So what I will do is I will just look up this value from this table and the updated value. So comma 2 comma 0 for the exact match and I will drag this formula. But here you can see that I can only be able to match only the three values because manufacture buttons, lanyard and WooCommerce is the only common names between these two tables, and for the other ones you can see that here it is written brand buttons engine, whereas in V2 it is written engine brand buttons. You can see over here. Here in this we have buttons DV and in the table 2 we have DV underscore buttons. So the name represents the same category at the same product, but it is written in the other way around. So in this case, when you do lookup, it won't work 100% because some names are different. So in this case, we can do a fuzzy lookup. Let me show you how. So first of all, let us convert this old data in a table. So to convert this into a table, let me select all of this and press Ctrl T. It will select the range and we just have to press enter. So now it is converted to a table. In the same way, let us do it for the second one. So I'll select the whole data, press Ctrl T and I'll select on this checkbox, my table has headers and press OK. So now we have converted both our data into table. The next step is to go to data and here you have multiple options. And in get and transform group, we have this option from table. So we need to create a new query from this table. But if you don't find this option over here, you will find it in the drop downs somewhere over here. So let us select this from table. And here we don't have to do anything until and unless our titles are clearly classified. And now let us go to here and select close and load to. You don't have to select over here. You have to select the drop down and let us select close and load to. And it will give you a pop-up. And after that, you need to select only create connection and select load. So here you can see that we have queries of table 1 only connection, and in the same way let's do for second table. So we'll go to second table, go to data and select from table, and here I will again select close and load to. Then I will select create only connection and press OK. So here you can see that we have connected this table to our queries. And now let us go to data, and here you can see that we have option of combine queries in the new query. And now let us select merge queries. So it will show you this kind of window. Now we will merge queries from table 1 we have just created and table 2. Now we need to select the common columns. So here we have name in table 1 and here we have name in table 2. We have selected those from which we want to do lookup, that is the common tables. Join kind, I prefer doing full outer join because it may happen that in some of the table the categories or the products numbers may differ. You have 10 categories in table 1 and you may find 2 new categories in the updated table. So let us go with the full outer, and here you can see that after selecting these three options, it has successfully matches the 3 of 18 products which we have given. But let us select this fuzzy matching to perform the merge. and I'll click on this checkbox, and here you can see that it has matched all the 18 of 18 rows from the first table and 18 of 18 from the second table. Now let us click on OK. It will open the query editor, and in the query editor you will see this kind of window where here you have an option of expanding. So let us select on this one, and we don't want all of the table, we just want the updated price. So we select updated price and press OK. If you want to aggregate the output, then you have to go to aggregate and select sum of updated. But let's expand this and click on OK. So here you can see that it has given the updated price from table 2 in the table 1. And now let us close and load. So now it will give us the updated price in the regular table in the table 1. But as we have merged this, it has created a new fresh table. So here you can see the base price or the regular price and the updated price over here. Manufacture buttons, the name was same, manufacture buttons, so it will be same throughout. But let's check for the other one. So let us select this brand button engine. We had 335 and now we have 334. So let us check brand button engine. Over here we have 335, and in the second one, engine brand buttons, we have 334. So to double check, let us select this regular price and sum it. The sum is going up to 4439, and let us check in version 1, it is 4439, correct. And in version 2, the updated price sums up to 5488, and here in the updated table we have 5488. So we have done this mapping very quickly. It may happen that it will aggregate the same name. It feels like, for example, you have brand buttons and engine 1, engine 2, engine 3, that sometimes it does this wrong mapping and aggregate when you select the aggregated method, and it will give you more than 18 names. Over here we have 18. So what it will do is it will replicate the name and give the repetitive value over here. So do check your output when you do this method, and double confirm the sum. If it doesn't work, then you need to do some manual work, but it can reduce your lot of work. Most of the names will be matched correctly in fuzzy method. So in this way you can do fuzzy lookup, and I hope this method will help you a lot and save you a lot of time. And before jumping to another video, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. For more amazing videos like this, do visit our channel. Now it's time to say you goodbye. Thank you.